Hi, Ray. Thank you so much. Why is my. Oh no, what's going on? Okay, it's fixed. Thank you so much, Ray, for giving us the opportunity to create this. I hope you learned a lot out of this. My name is George, and I'm with Digital Uptrend, and this is the website evaluation and analysis that we promised. But without any further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. So, the first impression coming on your website, it looks absolutely flawless, amazing. It looks smooth. It looks like you put a lot of work into it, and there has been some professional work going into this. And I love the reviews page. A lot of people just show some quotes, but you actually have faces and names that people can even look up and ask if they need to. So this is something that's always very much important. And I love these little facts here, or if they're not facts, but I do love them. What I mean if they're not facts, but I do love the fact that you have facts there. I love the little text here, if I can get rid of it, the little WhatsApp. It always adds a little bit more enjoyability in a website when someone can just click on a button and contact. So that's something that's very much cool. What I wanted to check out was this blog when I looked at this. Is there a blog? There is a blog. Oh my goodness. That's one of the first few roofing websites. Signs I need to contact a roofing company. How to choose a roofing company. These are amazing signs that you've done some work and done some research. How to check roofs to find the best roofing company. This is the most important thing. Obviously, the diversity of content isn't really there, right? It's just the typical what is roofing, etc. But it looks like over the last few months, because these have only come out in since the beginning of this year. Yeah, October last year, all the way to this point. So I guess to that point, you really got the hang of and understood why blogging was so important, especially on a website. Maybe I'd like it on top here and not just at the bottom there, because it would help more people figure it out. We also have a blog ourselves. We have it on the top there. It's always so important. I love the fact that there is residential, but also commercial, and it shows the different things that you use. I want more and more information though on these things. There isn't something that I can look at and go, oh, that's crap. They also use materials for different things. I'd like to be able to click on this and see pictures of roofs you've done this with. Also, why is this showing up? Is that something you've done? Projects we've done. That's something I was looking for. If I was clicking on this, I would like maybe a similar page like this. I do like this. I enjoy the fact that it looks very clean. It looks like the social proof is definitely there, and it helps people figure it out. I love the safety on this website, but we're gonna get into more in-depth stuff here. This is where I'm actually confused, because the website looks amazing. It looks like some work has gone into the blog, but not the SEO side of things. The referring domains and the keywords are what are really throwing me off. But let's explain what a referring domain is before I talk about it. A referring domain is when another website decides, I like you. So let's say Integrity Roofing. That's your company, right? Let's say Google themselves just, type right here. I think I spelled integrity wrong. And then they just put integrity. Let's build a house. I don't know why. Let's build a house. Let's just say they love your company, Integrity Roofing, and they want to drive more business to you, and this is their way of giving their appreciation for being a good company. So they just put you there and they link to your website. That would be considered a referring domain. So just a little bit, for starters. Another website linking to you, referring domain. Okay, more into this though. You have 45 do follow referring domains, which is good, and they're all roofing related, which is always important because it helps Google realize what kind of company and what kind of people they should be showing your company to, and that's always important. So I do appreciate that, and you do have them. But what I'm looking at more importantly is the rankings for some of these. This kind of weirds me out, because Integrity Roofing Solutions, Integrity Roofing Colorado Springs, Integrity Roofing, you are 31st for that. I'm sure that's your own keyword, right? I'm sure when someone's typing Integrity Roofing, they mean Integrity Roofing. Unless there's another Integrity Roofing that I don't know about. Let me just search this. Sorry. Is it this one? It's the same company. Okay, it's a different company. But that's actually really confusing for me now, because you do have Denver Integrity Roofing. Maybe it's the same company, but just different branches. Not exactly sure, but I would like you to be ranking higher, to be honest. But that's not just the only thing. There aren't that many keywords here that you're ranking for that I know you should be ranking for. And that means there's some work that needs to be done on the mega backlinks, the little interesting side of things, to try and get you to be ranking at least in these positions for a lot of these keywords. For example, I don't see roofers in Denver anywhere, and that's a keyword that someone would definitely be searching for if they were looking for your service. Is it thundering outside? I can't tell. Hopefully, I think it is raining. Well, that sucks. Seriously, Integrity Roofing, Kansas. I'm sure this is, I think it's the same company. I hope, because that would look really stupid. But you're not ranking for Denver roofers or Denver CO roofing. You're ranking very low for these. And the fact of the matter is, about maybe 5% of the population of the entire world do actually go to the second page. Not to talk of the 7th page or the 6th page. People generally click on the first 5 links. 80% of the traffic does. So the most important thing is to get in that top 5, top 7, and try to get in as many faces as you can. And to do that, there has to be a lot more backlink work. And just a little bit of what we do. We've been working with a few companies. For example, LV Quick Toe, that's a company we're working with. Kelly in Vegas, we've been taking her. Oh wow, this actually grew. So we took her from 55th last month, and this was like 20th, I think, a few days ago. But it was. And then now it's 12th. So we're constantly rising, and it's always important to be doing that. We took her to 2nd in this keyword. She wasn't ranking. She was one of those people that wasn't ranking for her own company name. And that we changed and we helped. So that's the most important thing. But we use this method. What we do, our initial audit here, we basically go into your website. We figure out the keywords we want you to be ranking for. And then also, I would try to get rid of the pop-up. It shouldn't be popping up more than one time. It could really throw people off. But what we do, figure out the keywords we want you to be ranking for. And there's about 50 or so of them here for LV Quick Toe. This is just the initial audit. So there's a lot more work that goes in. We figure out how difficult it's going to be. And the search volume and the amount of people that would search for it. And how many people we can potentially be targeting. And then that's where it gets a little bit more interesting. We figure out, okay, these are your links, etc. And then we go right into it. For example, we put this link, get fast estimate, and then we'll try to look and see, okay, this is how we got it. Let's try and see how we can embed these keywords in here without messing with the Google algorithm or messing with any keyword policies, because there are keyword policies where you can't spam keywords and try to rank. That's against Google's policies. So we then do it and we get into the actual website and see how we get the keywords on the different pages. You have a lot of blog posts, but I would like the blog, like I said, to be on there, on that main page. So this is where we go and we make sure these have Colorado roofing, or this is very important. I like this. Best roofing company in Denver. This is good. That's very good. But is it about the best roofing company in Denver? Maybe talk about the review. It's almost as if you're talking about every company but yourself. How to check reviews to find the best roofing company. Or maybe just change this to the best roofing company in Denver, Colorado. And use reviews from people, from your clients, to prove to people why they should be on your website. And that would even apply and help more people find it. But these are just the little things. And then that's where you could embed these keywords. But that's something that obviously is done and takes a lot more work. But thank you everyone, or not everyone. Thank you so much, Ray, for watching this video and giving us the opportunity to make it. My name has been George, and thank you so much. Have a nice day, and yeah.